G, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, I'm bougie, I've got my dressing gown on, very naughty, I know, but today's video I'm going to be doing a Kylie Jenner and Vogue inspired makeup look. So this is a Kylie Jenner inspired look with the yellow pop in the inner corners, but I'm doing it in a Vogue style. So if you want to see how to create this makeup look, being bougie in a dressing gown, get ready with me and my dressing gown, then just carry on watching. So to start off my skincare, I'm actually going to be using the Nip and Fab Hydrate Extreme Hydration Soothing Serum with Cactus Flower Extract and Dragon's Blood. So this is the Dragon's Blood Fix Serum Extreme. This is actually insane, like, this smells so amazing. I'm actually now going to take this serum right here. This is from Nip and Fab. This is the Rose Gold Essence Serum, and the benefit of this for your skin is insane. It's got gold little flecks in it, really hydrates, plumps your skin, ready for makeup. It is beautiful and how stunning. So I'm just going to pop on some drops on my finger, 3, and I'm just going to pop some on my nose. This is beautiful. So now that I've done my skincare and prepped my skin ready for makeup, I'm now going to go into my brows, my favourite ever thing to do. So for my brows, I'm actually going to be taking my favourite, which is the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 5. This is honestly such a good product for when you want really natural brows, thickness, like it literally lasts all day, and I love this so much. So this little guy is so cute, he's so cute. All I'm going to do is basically just brush my brow hairs up. I don't tend to fill them in because I really like the natural brow, so using this is just like my favourite. I love Benefit Gimme Brow. It's an addiction and I can never not wake up and use this. Whether I wear makeup or not, I still use this every day. I'm actually going to be taking this product right here. So this is Benefit Highbrow, and this is just going to highlight my brow bone. I'm just going to take this pencil and apply it just on the arch of my brow. Well, I'm kind of going under my brow and just following it. And then I'm just taking my finger and I'm just blending that in. It instantly gives you a brow lift. I love it. So now I'm actually going to be taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Oh, girl. Like, look how clean my brow looks. I love it. Oh, it all just blends together. Okay, so now for eyes, I'm actually going to be doing a Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look. So I'm actually going to be taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This is the Sage one. I'm actually going to be mixing this shade here and this shade here and blending this all over my lid. With my Spectrum B06 brush, I'm just going to very lightly blend this all over my lid. So that is pretty much it for like the eyes and the blending of it. It's not really that much. So now that I've done my eyeshadow, I'm actually going to be adding my mascara. The mascara that I'm going to be using today is the Urban Decay Troublemaker. This is beautiful. Yay! So for lashes, I'm actually going to be taking my all-time favourite, which are right here. These are the TATTI lashes, the TL Mitchell ones. I love Mitch. I love you, Mitch. And I love your lashes. I feel like I've never worn a pair of lashes as much as this, and I'm gonna have to order a new pair because mine are literally dying right now. But of course I had to do this look with my favourite lashes, so I'm gonna whack these on and look glam again. So pretty. I love these. Oh, I feel like me again. So now that I've added my lashes, which again, I just love these lashes so much. I can't stop going on about them. I need to get my brush. What I've done back. I'm going to use the Laura Geller Filter First Finish Foundation. This is beautiful. This is the Luminous foundation in the shade Porcelain. It's pretty much your skin in a bottle. and together they mix perfectly, but this is a little bit lighter, so it balances the colour out. Perfect. Yes, boys. Oh, yay, I've got a label. I can squirt it on the label. Mix them together. When in doubt, mix it out. And we're going to whack this on my face. Just taking my beauty blender, which I adore my beauty blender. I definitely need to get a new one, so beauty blender, please hit your girl up. I do need some beauty blenders, only joking, really, I'm not, I really need them. But yeah, if you haven't checked out beauty blenders, the sponges are the best you will ever find. Go check them out, you will not regret it. Makes your foundation look flawless. This is where I don't look like a vampire. And now I'm like, I like kind of having, well, a bit of a healthy glow. What's happened to me? Blame it on you, Kian. Kian, you were the one who made me want to be darker. So, oh god. Oh, this formula is insane. Pretty good coverage to me. But I want more. Okay, so now that I've done my foundation, I'm looking super flawless. I can't get over how amazing this looks with a beauty blender. Like, Laura Geller, that foundation is incredible, girl. We love Laura. Apart from that, I need concealer. So I'm just going to take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade NC 15, NW15 even. And the brush that I'm taking the concealer on is actually the Peaches and Cream PC29 brush. This is perfect for blending out concealer in smaller parts of your face, like your under eyes and your eyelids. Honestly, if you haven't already, please check out Peaches and Cream's brushes. I've got a few of my favourite brushes in this video, so definitely check it out. Anyway, I'm going to pop this just under my eye. This is such good coverage though. Like, we love a full coverage queen. That coverage is insane. The matte concealer with the Laura Geller foundation together, the combination is perfect. And I can't tell you how flawless my skin looks. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yes, queen. We love it. Yes. Taking a little bit of translucent powder because it's so important to set your under eye. Like, I can't stress enough, always set your under eye. This very small powder brush with the Peaches and Cream PC17 brush, and I'm just going to make sure that I've got no creasing under my eye, and then I'm going to set it straight away. I'm definitely going to stock up on that concealer because it just looks like my skin, which I love with the concealer, so definitely recommend. This is beautiful. My skin, I can't get over it. Okay, I'm going to do my other eye now, which is a journey. I have got so much foundation and concealer on this dish and I didn't realise. Fab! Yes, we've done it. We done it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of a darker concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C12.5. This is a lot darker than my skin tone, but I like to make sure that my nose doesn't get lost in my face, because if all of this area is just pale, it looks like I've got no nose. So I kind of just add a little bit of a shadow in, not to contour my nose. It's just purely so I don't lose my nose and look like Voldemort. So yeah, to stop you looking like Voldemort, just bronze up your nose a little bit. Because that ain't a good look, you know, the Voldemort look isn't good. I'm just gonna add this on a really tiny brush. Add a little bit more powder. Again, we kind of want to set this makeup into place, and I'm just very gently just gonna powder my nose because this is the area that kind of slips away the most. So I'm just gonna powder, sure everything's locked. Just a little bit of powder just in the center. Yay! Now I'm just going to finish off the eyes before going into my bronzer and highlighter. So I'm just going to add a bit of black liner just on my bottom lash line. It's really dark today, it's so weird, but I kind of like this background because I've got these white lights up. Just taking my Decay Troublemaker mascara again. We know we love this. So now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the same cream bronzer to my skin. This is what I use to bronze up. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to add, I mean like the most tiniest bit to my face. You don't need much. Oh. Did I really just do that? It's like Jesus coming up from prayer. I'm like a goddess. Jokes. Please take that as sarcasm. I'm going to take this, bronze up my skin, add in a little bit more definition. Literally, that's all you need. This thing is pigmented. Just using cream for bronzer and contour. Honestly, I swear by it. My favourite tip. And because we're using concealer, it is just giving us a little bit more coverage, which is perfect. We all like coverage. Well, some of us. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go back into my ID, like the final touch. I'm going to be adding the bright yellow. So this was the most standout makeup for Kylie Jenner. This is the yellow that I'm going to be using, and I've decided to use a NYX shadow because they're cheap. Everybody can get them. So this is the NYX Butterscotch Caramel Shadow. So beautiful, and it's a real pop of yellow. And I'm taking this just on a Spectrum A12 brush. And we're just going to pop this in the inner corner. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. That is the eye makeup completely done. Now it's time for highlighter. The Urban Decay Naked Illuminated. This is a very finely milled glitter glow. This is like by far my favourite highlighter at the moment. It is such a natural glow, I can't even tell you. So for lipstick, I'm actually going to be taking my Genevieve MAC lipstick. This is beautiful, the most perfect peach. And then just over the top, I'm actually going to pop on a bit of MAC Lady Be Good liquid lipstick. Alright guys, so that is it for this inspired Kylie Jenner and Vogue makeup look. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like the style of video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what is your favourite like celebrity makeup look. I would love to know. But I'm gonna love you and leave you, but I will see you in my next video. Mwah.